Here's a problem that looks extremely complex. It's three masses, apparently by their shape, if they were the same material. M1 is less than M2 is less than M3, and they're all moving at constant velocity across a flat surface that has different, they're not the same substance, because this one has these are all different kinetic coefficients of friction. And my question is, remember velocity is constant, my hint to you is be smart and wise, be both. With what force does this mass, M2, press on mass 3 if, and I give all the data, if this is 2 kilograms, this is 4 kilograms, this is 6 kilograms, and mu1 is 0.10, mu2 is 0.20, and mu3 kinetic is 0.30. Well, let's be smart and wise. Whatever force this is just moving this box, and it's moving it at constant velocity. I'm going to call the force F question mark, because I don't know what it is. But I know that F question mark, or F net question mark, is equal to MA. And I know that A is 0. So, because the velocity is constant, delta V over delta T equals A equals 0. So the force the net force has to be 0. I have to just balance whatever force is fighting me when I push. What force is fighting me when I push? I'm pushing this way, and friction is pushing back. What is the force of friction? It's mu kinetic times the normal force, which is M3G. I know what the kinetic coefficient of friction is. It's 0.3. I know what the mass of the box is. It's 6. And I know what G is. It's 10. So 6 times 10 is 60. And I want 0.3 times 60, which is 18 newtons. So the force of friction that's fighting me is 18 newtons. And because the net force must be 0, this box must be pushing on this one with 18 newtons of force. I don't need these guys. I don't need to know what masses they are, all this extraneous stuff. That's what I mean about being wise. What I mean about being smart is knowing to use Newton's second law, that F net equals ma. And so what looked like a very long problem is a relatively short problem with easy numbers, because you don't get a calculator on the SSATs. So, again, I hope that you paused it and tried it yourself.